Hey everyone, let's talk about projects in Leka.io. So on the left rail, if you click on projects, you'll see your projects page. I already have a project created, but if you need to create one, just click on new project, add a name, and add an optional description. Once you've created your project, you'll see that it's empty. So let's talk about the things you can add to your project. If you look at the left rail, you'll see that there's workflows, agents, knowledge, connections, and variables. All of these can be added to a project. You can also invite team members to join your project. Now, there's a few things you need to remember. Workflows and agents must be created within projects. You cannot create them at a workspace level and share them between projects. Once it's created within a project, it stays within the project. Now, knowledge, connections, and variables, these are different. You can create these at a workspace level, but you can also create them at a project level. Now, what does that mean? It means that if you created it at a workspace level, anybody can use them in any of their projects within the workspace. So let me give you an example. Let's go to the connections page. If I create a new connection to Gmail, once I filled out the name and the optional description, there's a drop down here where you can select the project that you want to assign this connection to. If you leave this empty, the connection will be created at a workspace level. So the same drop down exists for variables and knowledge. We'll talk about what these components are in future videos though. Now, the last thing we need to cover about projects is in your project, to invite someone, you click on invite and you select them from the drop down, and that's it. Something to remember about users in your projects is that there's no roles in projects. Once someone belongs to your project, they are essentially an admin. They can use all the resources assigned to the project. They can add connections. They can do whatever they want. So projects are really helpful for organizing, but also maintaining privacy, maybe to sensitive data, sensitive connections. But that's basically it. If you have any questions, reach out to us and we can help you understand projects a little better.